Hey everybody, Pocket Doc here at Dark Angel Medical. Going to talk to you real quick about something that's really important, especially when you're carrying a med kit. It's important in everyday life, but especially in a med kit, and it's keeping it simple, stupid. So the KISS principle. The KISS principle is what our company's founded on, simplicity under stress, because in a chaotic situation, you get stressed out and everything just goes to crap, okay? So you've got to make sure you keep things simple. Med kits, let's use that for example. Our med kits are built by people who have many years experience in pre-hospital, military medicine, in-hospital, critical care, emergency medicine, all that kind of good stuff. We have a lot of background expertise and knowledge in knowing what needs to go in a med kit and what does not need to go in a med kit and how the med kit needs to be built. So keeping it simple. Keeping it simple. Pair of gloves. Keeping it simple. A scientifically proven tourniquet, backed by evidence-based medicine. A pressure bandage of some kind, H&H, North American Rescue, ETDs, Elias bandages from TacMed Solution. I don't care. Just get a pressure bandage, put it in your pocket, put it in your kit. Some sort of hemostatic dressing, like this quick clot bleeding control dressing, which is an over-the-counter dressing. How about some chest seals? Seal that box, right? So we're going to seal the box. We're going to tourniquet the limbs. We're going to pack the junctions. We're going to keep things simple. And we pack this all in very easy to use kits, very lightweight pouches, things you can wear in your ankles. There's no excuse not to have something on you, on your person, that can help save someone's life, maybe your own. And get the kit from somebody who knows what the heck they're doing and what the heck they're actually selling. I want a subject matter expert. I don't want somebody who's going to be regurgitating information they've heard from their cousins, brothers, uncles, sister, whose husband owns Ricky Joe Bobby's barbecue joint on Highway 49. That ain't the way it works. Just because you stayed in the Holiday Inn Express last night, just because you went to a TCCC course, does not make you an expert. It's just like saying a veteran, and I'm a veteran, that's like saying somebody who's been deployed is an expert shooting instructor. Not true. Okay, or I went through a TCCC class, so I know exactly what to tell you what to do. No, you're regurgitating info. I've been doing this 27 years. I've been taking care of people for 27 years. And this is part of what I do. This is my life's passion. This is my calling. This is what I'm supposed to do. I'm not selling it just to throw cool guy crap in there and all the latest gee whiz cool guy Gucci gear in there, like light stick holders and freaking 18 Delta blood soakers and non-proven tourniquets and fairy dust and unicorn tears and sextants and 6 extra magazine holders and 2 knives and a compass and a thermometer. No, that doesn't need to go in your med kit. Okay, nor does a bunch of Band-Aids need to go in your trauma kit. Band-Aids have a specific place, and it's not in your trauma kit. If you keep them separated, awesome, but it does not go in the same compartment. So keep things simple. Keep things simple, because in a chaotic situation, you're going to be handicapped enough just by the stress level that is presented to you, and you're going to fall to that lowest level of training. Which brings me to the next point. Get the training from someone credible. That means people who have the experience, who have the knowledge, who do the homework, who study the studies accurately so they can extrapolate the data in a logical, coherent, accurate manner so that we can present it better. We're responsible for giving that information to you. And if we don't do that in the correct way, something bad can happen. And we're here to demystify things and destigmatize things and teach you the right way to save somebody's life. Because like I said, that life may be yours, it may be somebody you love. But keeping everything simple is going to be the key to success in a stressful situation. You've got to keep it simple. Get a kit, get trained, be the difference. Y'all stay safe.